Today we're making beef and broccoli stir fry. These are our ingredients, pretty simple, you don't need much. Now I use noodles, you can use rice. I just been eating too much rice, so I do not want rice again. And I'm a pasta lover. So first we're gonna start off with washing our steak. Obviously, I wash mine with apple cider vinegar and then I rinse it, and we're gonna pat the meat dry just so we can make sure there's not too much water in it. I sliced my steak in strips, and this is thin cut steak because I didn't want it to be too tough. After that, I personally put a little bit of garlic and herb seasoning on mine with paprika. You don't have to do that. That's not like, I looked at a few recipes and they did not do that because the soy sauce and stuff like that, it has enough salt in it. But then you seared your steak for a little bit, and while that is searing, I went ahead and made my sauce. Now, I think this might be where I went wrong. Somebody that's a pro tell me I put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and not enough water, and I feel like it made it too thick. Like, I'm a country girl, so I'm used to making gravy. You see how thick that was? I think that caused me to have like a little bit thicker sauce, which was not bad, but obviously normally this isn't so thick of a sauce, so I would say use less cornstarch and a little bit more water, but it was good though.